I'm an ophthalmologist for one reason. With my knowledge, with my hands, with my technology, I can turn your naturally blurry world into a clear universe, full of details and unbounded beauty. Appleton has been my home for over 25 years. It's where I raised my family. It's where I have honed my skills, constantly innovating, always advocating for my patients, and treating them like family. I am someone that believes in experiencing life to the fullest. I enjoy flying. I have ridden my bicycle on 6 continents. I've climbed the tallest mountains on 3 continents. I've seen some of the most incredible sights the world has to offer. I have shared my knowledge and experience with hundreds of ophthalmologists around the world. My mission work to Mexico, Haiti, and beyond have brought sight to those less fortunate. And I cannot imagine doing any of these things that I love to do when wearing glasses. Restoring vision is what drives me. It's my passion. I want to help as many people as possible who want to enjoy life as I do. To be able to go to a baseball game at Fox City Stadium, or a concert at the PAC, or a jog around Lutz Park, or anything they enjoy doing without looking through the framed windows of glasses or dealing with the hassles of contact lenses. With my incredible team of professionals and detailed, personalized care, I want you to have the best LASIK outcome and the best LASIK experience that is available anywhere. Isn't it time to see your world in clear focus and exquisite details? I invite you to visit with me personally to decide if LASIK is the right direction toward clear and uncomplicated vision for you.